Franklin Udoka Readers Club presents The Power of 1 Cent online readers competition with a cash prize of $10 for the winner. How to participate? Go to your YouTube, search for Franklin Udoka. Subscribe to the YouTube channel or go to paystack.shop/Franklin Udoka. Download the ebook The Power of 1 Cent with just $2. Read the ebook, write a review about the book and send to udokafranklin@gmail.com or via WhatsApp +234 7060431699. Do a video of yourself reading out your review and send the video to udokafranklin@gmail.com or via WhatsApp at +234 7060431699. Note: the best review will be picked and the cash prize of $10 will be given. Entry starts on the 7th of November and ends on the 14th of November 2021. Winners will be announced on the 17th of November 2021 on your YouTube channel. Note: you should include your name, your email, and a phone contact in your review.